Prime Minister Narendra Modi extending his wishes on the Kargil Vijay Divas. Prime Minister Modi extends his wishes on the Kargil Vijay Divas. Prime Minister Modi said, "Salute the unparalleled courage and valor of our heroes. Heroes sacrificed their lives to protect the nation." This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who's given out a statement, and he's extending his wishes on the Kargil Vijay Divas. My colleague Shivani is still with me on the story. Shivani, we have seen a statement coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that we need to salute the unparalleled courage and valor of our heroes, heroes who sacrificed their lives to protect the nation.
Aishwarya, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not only remembering the courage and valor, but he is also giving out that message on the part of the whole nation to all these war heroes, to their families who have made supreme sacrifice without thinking of themselves and thinking of their families. They have kept the nation first. You know, when we were witnessing these heights in Kargil, we could not imagine that how these war heroes, they had recaptured these heights, because this is one of the world's very harshest peaks, the steep peaks out there, climbing these peaks with those weapon loads on their back and facing the bullets from the enemy, facing those artillery and other explosives from the enemy, and keeping themselves high, their spirits high, keeping the nation first. It actually needs the courage of steel, the men of steel of the Indian Army. They have kept the love for their nation ahead and first. So that's why we could see that this was the war which was one of the most difficult war, where the enemy was sitting on the heights and we were on the ground.
Right.
We climbed those heights facing these bullets and attacks from the enemy, and yet we achieved our goal and victory, and that's why we are now celebrating Operation Vijay's success here in Kargil and in complete nation.
Thank you, Shivani, giving us all those details. My colleague Shivani joining us from Dras in Kargil. It is the Indian Air Force, in fact, which is now paying a tribute to the Kargil war heroes.